Hi, Owl Writers. Welcome to Writers Workshop Day 3. Today we are going to focus on 2 reasons to support our opinion in adding those sparkle words. If you remember from Day 1, we talked all about adjectives, which is the same thing as sparkle words. You can describe something's size, how many, what it looks like, how it smells, how it feels, how it sounds, how it tastes, how something behaves, the color, the shape. There's lots of ways to use sparkle words. Here we go. If you remember, reasons tell why you think or feel a certain way. Reasons give your opinion power. Don't forget to use the magic word because. Let's quickly remind ourselves of because boo-boos. Let's stay away from saying things like because I like it, because it is neat, or because it is cool. Instead, say why you like it. Why is it neat, or what makes it cool? Here we go. Here is how I can start talking about my reasons. Remember the reason starters? You can say, my first reason is, here we go. My first reason is, now I need to talk about why my favorite drink is Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper tastes, I gotta say, I remember my adjectives. Dr. Pepper tastes, how does it taste? Delicious. That was a great sparkle word. Now I need to write my next reason starter. My next reason is Dr. Pepper is a great drink to have with lunch or dinner. That doesn't look right. Dinner. I think that's ER. And look at all my magic words. Delicious. Great drink. Wow. What I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video. I want you to write your 2 reasons and make sure you use sparkle words.